be talking about the algebraic identities. The algebraic identities which we saw in the last lecture were about a plus b का होल स्क्वायर देखा था, a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर देखा था. आज हम जो देखने वाले हैं वो क्यूब वाली आइडेंटिटीज को देखने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स सी, हमारे पास बेसिक दो आइडेंटिटीज हैं, a प्लस बी का होल क्यूब एंड a माइनस बी का होल क्यूब. सो व्हाट इज द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ a प्लस बी होल क्यूब इज a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. And a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. These identities we have already learned in smaller classes. So how to implement these identities we will be seeing by some of the sums. So let's start with 2x plus 3y का whole cube. मेरे को इसको क्या करना है, मेरे को इसको expand करना है. So I need to use here a plus b का whole cube. अगर मैं a plus b का whole cube वाली identity इसमें लगाऊंगी, so I can expand this sum. So let's see, here my a is nothing but 2x and 3y is nothing but b. 3y is nothing but b. So how can I expand a plus b का whole cube is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square. 3ab square. Fine. Now what I need to do, in place of a I need to write down 2x and in place of b I need to write down 3y. So let's substitute. So the expansion for 2x plus 3y whole cube will comes out to be 2x का whole cube plus 3y का whole cube plus 3a square into b plus 3 into 2x plus 3y का whole square. 3y का whole square. Now if we open these brackets we will get 8x cube plus 3 cube is nothing but 27y cube plus 3 into, if I open this it will be 4x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 9y square into 9y square. So it comes out to be 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s is nothing but 36. 9 4s is equal to 36 x square y plus 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 into 9 is nothing but 54 x y square. So this is nothing but the expansion of a plus b का whole cube. Let's see more sums. Now we will see 103 का whole cube कैसे निकालते हैं by using identities. वरना हम 103 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो भी हमारे को क्यूब निकल आएगा. But how we can use the identities and take out 103 whole cube. So can we split 103 into 100 plus 3 whole cube? 100 plus 3 whole cube and 100 plus 3 whole cube में क्या हम a plus b का whole cube लगा सकते हैं? लगा सकते हैं. So what will be a over here? a हमारा बन जाएगा 100 and b will be 3. a will be 100 and b will be 3. Now use a plus b का whole cube. a plus b का whole cube gives you a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now substitute, in place of a substitute 100 and in place of b substitute 3 plus 300 square into 3 plus 3 into 100 into 3 square. Now if I open the bracket, so I will get 100 cube. Cube है मतलब कि 2 0 तो raised to 1 के रहते. 2, there will be 6 zeros for cube plus 3 का cube is nothing but 27 plus 3 into 10,000 into 3 plus 3 into 100 into 9. Now if we multiply it, we will get plus 27 plus 3 into 3 will give you 9 and 90,000 plus 3 into 9 will give you 2700. If you add all these, you will see this is plus 27 plus. If you add 90,000 plus 2700, you will get 92700. Now, if you add 92700 plus 27, you would get plus 92727. And जब आप इन दोनों को प्लस करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा 1092727. So this is the way how we can use the identity and can find the cube for bigger numbers. I hope you must have understood this question. Now let's see one more same kind of question. 99 का होल क्यूब कैसे निकालेंगे? अभी हमने देखा 103 को हमने स्प्लिट करा था 100 प्लस 3 में, तो क्या हम 99 को ऐसा लिख सकते हैं 100 माइनस 1 का होल क्यूब, and here we can use a minus b का whole cube, and if we use a minus b whole cube, the formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So where my a is nothing but 100 and b is nothing but 1. b is nothing but 1. So if I put in the identity, I will get what is a 100. 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square into 1 square. So if I expand 100 cube, it gives me minus 1 minus 30,000 plus 300. 1 का square तो 1 ही देने वाला है. So what I will get is 10 lakh 6 zeros. Minus 1 minus 30,000 plus 300 would give me minus 2970. 29700. And both are in minus. If I add them, I will get minus 29701. 29701. And if I subtract this 10 lakh minus 29701, I would get 970299. So this is my answer for 99 cube. So this is the way how we can make use of these identities to find such a solution. Now let us see some more formulas. If I combine these two formulas, then what is the resultant? A plus b का whole cube minus a minus b का whole cube. In short, I am subtracting these two equations. If I subtract these two equations, a cube minus a cube से a cube by cube कट जाएगा. b cube plus b cube will give you twice b cube. इसलिए 2 बाहर निकालें. 3a square b again it will be twice 3a square b. And 3ab square and 3ab square will be cancelled out. So this is the way how can we have a combination of these two identities. ये मैं डायरेक्टली इसलिए लिखवा रही हूँ ताकि हम लोग सम जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये इजी पड़ता है. आपको पूरी आइडेंटिटी एक्सपैंड करने से अच्छा है यहाँ पे कुछ टर्म शॉर्टन डाउन हो जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो a क्यूब कट गया, 3ab स्क्वायर कट गया. सो द प्रोसीजर फॉर डूइंग द सम विल बी शॉर्टन एंड डाउन. Similarly, a minus b का whole cube minus a plus b का whole cube. Again, what you will do is this identity, if you subtract from this, you will get minus b cube minus b cube. It will give you minus 2b cube. That's why we are taking minus 2 common. See, you can see both are same. b cube plus 3a square b cube plus 3a square की bracket की term same है. But यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे minus 2 है. That is the difference. If you subtract this from this, you will get this. If you subtract this from this, you will get this. Now, if you add both of them, b cube will get cancelled out. 3a square b will get cancelled out. The remaining term will be 2 into a cube plus 3ab square. Now we will see how to make use of these identities and how can we solve questions. Let's see. Let's solve a question here. 104 cube plus 96 cube निकालना है. तो क्या मैं इसको स्प्लिट करके ऐसा लिख सकती हूँ? 104 को मैं 100 plus 4 का क्यूब लिख सकती हूँ. एंड प्लस का साइन तो बीच में वैसे ही रहेगा. 96 को क्या मैं 100 माइनस 4 लिख सकती हूँ उसका क्यूब. सो कैन यू सी दिस इज नथिंग बट a प्लस बी क्यूब एंड a माइनस बी क्यूब. यहाँ पे भी a 100 है b 4 है, यहाँ पे भी a 100 है b 4 है. सो कैन एट बोथ ऑफ देम आर एडेड. सो कैन वी यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ सम. a प्लस बी होल क्यूब प्लस a माइनस बी होल क्यूब इज नथिंग बट 2 into a क्यूब प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. So by using this, what we will do is, हमको केवल क्या करना है, अगर यदि आपको ये याद है तो ये वाली सिचुएशन लगा करके हम इसका आंसर ला सकते हैं. So what will be a in this will be 100 and b will be 4. If a is 100, b is 4, by putting in this a and b, we will get 2 into 100 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4 square into 4 square. Now, if you will expand this, you will get 100 cube. Again, it will give you 10 lakhs plus 4 square is nothing but 16. 16 into 3 is nothing but 48. 4800. 100. Now, if you add both of them, you will get 1004800. Correct? 1004800. And if you multiply by 2, you will get 2009600. So the answer to the question is 2009600. तो अगर यदि आप ये यूज नहीं करते, इफ यू वुडंट हैव यूज दिस, सो आपको अलग अलग सॉल्व करना पड़ता. यू वुड हैव अप्लाई 100 + 4 के लिए आपको पूरी आइडेंटिटी लगा करके ये चीज सॉल्व करनी पड़ती, a - b³ की आइडेंटिटी लगा करके ये चीज सॉल्व करनी पड़ती, देन दोनों को सेपरेटली ऐड करना पड़ता है. आप वैसा मेथड करोगे तो भी आपका आंसर सेम ही आने वाला है, बट दिस इज सम शॉर्टकट टू दिस मेथड. लेट्स सी वन मोर सम लाइक दिस. नाउ लेट्स सी दिस क्वेश्चन. x + 2 + y/3 का होल क्यूब माइनस x/2 - y/3 का होल क्यूब. So again it is a + b का होल क्यूब माइनस a - b का होल क्यूब. क्या हम पहली वाली आइडेंटिटी यूज करके ये वाले सम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? So what is a in my question here? It's x/2. And what is b in the question? It's y/3. It's y/3. And if I substitute this a and b in this, I will get my answer. So what is the expansion? 2 into b³ plus 3a² b में अगर मैं substitute कर दूं तो मुझे आंसर मिल जाएगा. Let's see how. If I substitute 2 into what is b? y/3. y/3 का whole cube plus 3 into what is a? a is x/2 का square. What is b? y/3. So I hope this expansion must be clear. Now let's solve this. 2 into y का cube will give you y³ and 3³ is nothing but 27 plus 3 x²/4 into y/3. So the answer for this is 2y³/27 plus this 3 and 3 will get cancelled out. It will be 2x² y/4. So this can be cancelled out by 2. So this is the answer for this expansion. अगर अलग अलग करते हैं फिर से वही टाइम कंज्यूम होता है. इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग डिफरेंटली दो बार एक ही सम को 2 बार अटेम्प्ट करने से अच्छा है कि ये एक आइडेंटिटी यूज करके शॉर्ट में हमको आंसर मिल जाता है. So I hope you must have understood such type of questions. Now let's see 111³ minus 89³. How we can expand and how we can write. 111 को मैं लिख सकती हूँ 100 plus 11 का whole cube minus it can be written as 100 minus 11 का whole cube. Whether it resembles a plus b का whole cube minus a minus b का whole cube वैसा दिख रहा है. So what will be a in this case? a will be 100 and b will be 11. b will be 11. Again I will substituting in this formula. I will get before writing it down. ये यूज करते समय हमेशा आइडेंटिटी साइड में लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. So which identity we are using? This identity. a minus b whole cube gives you 2 into b³ plus 3a² b. So by using this we will get 2 into what is b? 11. 11 का whole cube plus 3 into what is a? a is 100. 100 square plus b is into b is nothing but 11. b is nothing but 11. Let's see. 2 into 11 cube gives you out 1331 plus 3 into 10000 into 11. So if we add them we will get 2 into 1331. If I solve this, 3 into 11 will give me 33 and it will be 33 into 10,000. So if I add them I will get 2 into 331. If I multiply it by 2, the answer would be 662,662. So this is the answer for the given question. 111³ minus 89³ अगर आप subtract करते हो तो आपको ये आंसर आएगा. So now it must be clear to you all कि how we can make use of such an identities. So let's see, let's solve more sum. Now let's see some different variety of question. The question is x plus 1/x is equals to 3. Find करने को बोला है x³ plus 1/x³. x³ plus 1/x³. कल के वीडियो में हम लोगों ने देखा था कि ये इसकी जगह पर हमको पूछा था x² plus 1/x². कैसे निकाला था? By squaring on both the sides. Now what we can do the same way squaring की जगह पर हम by taking cube on both the sides. अगर cube लेंगे तो सेम ये वाला आंसर मिल जाएगा हमको. Let's see. By taking cube on both the sides means cube of this into 3 का cube. If I expand a plus b का whole square, a plus b का whole cube gives you a cube. A plus b का whole cube gives you a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3ab square. अगर इसमें डाल दूं, यहाँ पे मेरा a क्या है? a is nothing but x and what is b? b is 1 upon x. If I substitute in the given identity, I will get x cube plus 1 upon x का whole cube plus 3 into x square into 1 upon x plus 3 into x into 1 upon x square. 1 upon x का square will give you 1 upon x square. So x cube plus 1 upon x का whole cube plus यहाँ से एक x और एक x कट जाएगा तो क्या बचेगा? 3x plus similarly 1x and 1x will get cancelled out. So the remaining term will be 3 into 1 upon x. 3 into 1 upon x. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube. क्या मैं ये दोनों टर्म्स में से 3 कॉमन निकाल सकती हूँ? So 3 अगर मैंने कॉमन निकाला तो मेरे ब्रैकेट के अंदर बचेगा x plus 1 upon x. And if you see the question, it is given in the question x plus 1 upon x is nothing but 3. X plus 1 upon x is nothing but 3. So can I substitute this value as 3? And if I substitute this value as 3, so my answer is x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 into 3. 3 into 3. So this was equal to 3 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 27. This is nothing but 27. इधर भी लिख लेना equal to 27. So can I get x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 into 3 is nothing but 9, and if I shift 9 there you will get equal to 27 minus 9. 27 minus 9 and 27 minus 9 is nothing but 18. So the answer for x cube plus 1 upon x cube come out to be 18. Come out to be 18. Similar sum हम already square के लिए भी solve कर चुके हैं. वहाँ पर हमने क्या करा था? Squaring on both the sides. यहाँ पर हम क्या लेंगे? Cube on both the sides. Now let's see the last question for this video. 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. xy is nothing but 6. Find 8x cube plus 27y cube. Again what we need to do is we need to take the cube on both the sides. If I take the cube on both the sides, that is 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. Taking cube on both the sides. If I take cube on both the sides, so this is a plus b ka whole cube and 13 cube. So a plus b ka whole cube will give you the identity a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3ab square. If I expand this, in this case my a comes out to be 2x, b comes out to be 3y. If I put in this equation in this identity, I will get the expansion as 2x ka whole cube plus 3y ka whole cube plus 3 into 2x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y ka whole square into 3y ka whole square. So the answer comes out to be 8x cube if I expand this plus 3 cube is nothing but 27y cube plus 3 into 4x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 9y square into 9y square. So it gives me 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 3 into 3 is 9. 9 fours gives you 36x square y plus 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 into 9 is 54xy square. 64xy square, and anywhere around this is equal to what? This is equal to 13 cube. So this is equal to 13 cube and 13 cube comes out to be 2197. 2197. तो ये सब कुछ equal होगा किसके? 2197 के. It will be equal to 2197. Now, can you see here? From these two, I can take 18xy common. If I take 18xy common, my equation will look like plus 18xy. If I take 18xy common, it will be 2x plus 3y is equals to 2197. 2197. Now, if you see carefully, in the given part in the question is 2x plus 3y 13 दिया है. तो क्या मैं इसको 13 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकती हूँ एंड xy की जगह पर मैं 6 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकती हूँ. माई इक्वेशन बिकम्स 8x क्यूब प्लस 27y क्यूब. और देखो हमको पूछा गया है 8x क्यूब प्लस 27y क्यूब आ रहा है, प्लस 18 into x into 13 will give you 2197. And if you multiply this 18x cube plus 27y cube plus 18 into 6 into 13 will give you 1404 equal to 2197. Now if you take this constant on this side and subtract it, you will get 8x cube plus 27y cube comes out to be 793. So the answer for 8x cube plus 27y cube comes out to be 793. I hope such type of questions must be clear. Thank you and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe. And in the next video, we will be seeing how we can factorize the identities. Thank you.